Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start my program, hit run. You'll see that I'm presented with verse and then a prompt questioning the user if they'd like to enter a song, verse line by line. If so, type yes. If not, type no. You can see up here in line 3, it's just simply print verse, so that's why we see that. Then it's assigning the variable user value to raw input, which presents that prompt. We set a counter value to 1 so it doesn't start at 0. Moving down to the while statement, this is what will keep this program alive and looping as long as the user value is equal to yes. If it's equal to no, then it's going to go ahead and break, which you can see in lines 13 and 14. Coming back to the while statement, well, let's actually go ahead and run this. So yes, please enter a line of lyrics. I present with line 1, lyrics. If I had an error, I did set this down in 16 through 19 to keep running if there's an error. So if they said okay, then they're presented with a prompt that they need to type yes or no. If they do it again, they'll still get that. So they do yes, lyrics again, okay, yes, lyrics again. So there it is. So if they type no, then it will break.